Hey EDC fans, today I have for you a pocket knife from Carved. It is a one-of-a-kind. I picked it out from their page, and you can choose from a variety of different types of woods and then different kinds of resin. They have different colors. This is the one that I picked out. This is a flipper pocket knife with a liner lock. It has the design only on one side, unfortunately. It has a hole here for a lanyard if you want. On the back, it's all titanium, including a titanium pocket clip, which is very strong, very stiff. You might have a hard time getting it back out of your pocket. But if you don't like it, you can always remove it. This pocket knife features a stainless steel Damascus blade. You can see the cool looking patterns there on both sides. Looks pretty nice. You saw me flip it open. That's not hard. I had a little bit of trouble getting the liner lock to let me open it or close it, but just a little bit. It opens pretty easily. But I usually find myself doing this to close it. I'm left-handed, so I don't have any problem opening it with either hand. But closing it, that's a different problem for me. But I have arthritis in my thumbs. So this is the knife. Let's see how sharp it is. Got a piece of regular typing paper with the greatest logo in the whole world right here. So I haven't sharpened it. I haven't done anything to this blade. So let's see how well it cuts. I'm barely putting any pressure. And it is, whoops, let's try it this way. I'm not really putting any pressure on the blade. I'm just running it across the paper. And it is slicing through it. Don't want to get my fingers in the way there. If I try too hard, it gets stuck and it wants to rip it. I would try to shave the hair off my arm here, but I don't have any. So I can't do that, but you could see how sharp it is. It's a nice knife. I don't know how many people would want to use this as their EDC, everyday carry knife, just because it's so fancy. Not to say that you can't. Of course you can. And I think that this will last. I'm just guessing that the finish and the inlay here will last with time. But it is a very pretty knife. I really like the look of it. I like the fact that once you pick out one of their knives from their website, it's gone. Nobody else is going to have a knife exactly like this one. They might be similar, but it won't be like this one. There you go. Carved pocket knife with a Damascus steel blade.